We'll guide you through how to enable secure boot in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
So to enable secure boot, we need to enter the BIOS. What you can do is restart your PC, and while it's booting, press your BIOS key repeatedly, usually F2, F10, F12, escape or delete. Alright, we're inside the BIOS now, and here the secure boot is different for every BIOS. So you can look for your motherboard brands and go to these paths I showed you on the screen. If you don't see the settings anywhere, make sure you change your BIOS mode to UEFI. Once again, it'll be different for every BIOS, so you can try to look for it inside all of the tabs. I'll put it on the screen, and as before, go to these paths based on your motherboard brand. So for me, I have to go to Advanced, Windows Configuration, and then Secure Boot. And here, what I need to do is just enable it, and that's done. If your BIOS has a search feature, you can easily find the settings. Just search up for the BIOS mode, and then change it to UEFI. And after that, search up for the Secure Boot and enable it. And then you can go back or click the X icon on the top right, select Save and Exit, and then select Save Changes and Reboot.